Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate and I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Centennial online banking account. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, on your desktop, launch any web browser that you're comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and in the search URL, search for mycentennial.bank.com. That will directly load you to the official page of Centennial Bank. And on this interface, you will see a login prompt, and there at the very first you have to type in your online ID. In case you forgot your user ID, you can simply recover your user ID if you click on the link that says forgot user ID near that. And after that, type in your password. In case you forgot your password, you can also recover your password if you click on the forget password link near that. Once you're done with that, simply click on sign in, and then you will be directly logged into your Centennial Bank online account. So this is how you can simply log into Centennial Bank online account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming updates. And thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.